guys, welcome back to our channel.
And today actually 2 days ago we recorded this video, but our intro actually got it deleted, so we had to do it again.
It got deleted.
Yeah. I accidentally deleted it, my bad. But we had to record this intro again because I accidentally erased it. Tell us what this challenge is
Alright
about.
guys, so 2 days ago, was it? It was probably a week ago. I don't know, but for this video, we actually did a challenge that's called eating the serving size for a day challenge.
Yeah.
And that means that you eat the serving size of that item that we eat during the whole day. So we basically did that, and it was a pretty cool challenge, fun experience.
So yeah, we actually grabbed a lot of items and we looked at the label and served the size that the serving size
Said.
So yeah, so what it said.
So check it out. Hopefully you like it. Alright guys, so we're back. We actually had to run to the store real quick because we didn't have the cereal that we wanted to.
We didn't have cereal at all. So we got Cocoa Pebbles, and the serving size for this is 3/4 of cups, which is 29 grams.
Yes, and I have different milk from Ashley, and my milk is 1 cup.
Yes. So I drink almond milk. It's so good. You should really change to almond milk from that milk. But my serving size is 1 cup as well.
So ¿cuánto es? How much is the serving size? 3/4 of a cup.
Le hubiera sabido un poquito because.
Oh, we're gonna show you the difference between the actual serving size that we eat and the serving size from this place.
There goes your 3/4, Kimberly. This is 3/4. So
What?
that's how much you're gonna eat.
That's actually not that bad. How do you eat it?
I eat it. I have no limits.
No way.
Yes, wait.
No way.
Yes. That's how much milk. That's how much cereal I eat. Probably I go 2 rounds of these.
So that's the difference between the cereal. This is the cereal that we are going to eat, and that's the Ashley serving size.
I go all the way from the top, and then sometimes
Ashley,
I
that's
go.
your serving size.
Yes, and then sometimes I go 2. You don't believe me? I eat 2 rounds of these. Probably 3.
Oh my.
So let me see. Look.
That's crazy.
You don't, how much do you eat, girl?
Not that much.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I'm for real.
Girl, what's
Girl.
up with you?
I think my serving size is actually the serving size of it.
For real?
For real.
Girl, what's wrong with you? There's 2 cups.
2 cups is her serving size. But guys, the serving size is actually 1 cup, but that doesn't mean that we all have to do it because I think it's like based off of it's based off of 2,000 calories.
So mine's is 1 cup. We'll both of ours.
That is 1 cup.
What the? This is too. I'm gonna drink my whole milk. It's getting soggy already. We have to start.
That's good. That's actually my serving size. Oh, this is a lot of milk compared to cereal. I did not think we were gonna finish this.
I'm not gonna finish
It was too much.
I can really make that noise.
Anyways, guys, it was actually a pretty good serving size, I think, for breakfast.
Yeah, I'll probably start doing that
For breakfast.
Milk.
But anyways, guys, that's it for breakfast, and we will see you in lunch. Alright guys, so we are back for lunch.
It is 3:05 now, and so we're about to have lunch right now because we are starving.
Yes, and we're gonna show you what we are going to be having.
For lunch, we're having this.
Yeah! The serving size for the Tostito pizza rolls is 6 rolls each, so we're having 6 rolls each. We're also having a little snack,
Which is
Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts. And serving size is 1 pastry.
Wait, we're gonna have to descongelarlo
Why?
because this thing it's not gonna cook.
Okay, put her in warm water and she'll. So right now, Kimberly is over there putting them to descongelar because they were too frozen right now. Are they more warm?
They got wet!
No way, Kimberly. Our lunch is ruined. It is freaking ruined. And Kimberly, you ruined our lunch. Kimberly, what are we gonna eat now? I was kind of suffering over there in the. Oh my gosh.
Okay guys, so our dinner is kind of ruined, but it's not. Not if I have something to say about it. So I kind of wet the Tostito pizza rolls. So hold on.
She kind of really did.
Yeah. Tostito rolls. See? Alright guys, so the Tostito pizza rolls are in the oven and now we wait.
Look at my mom. Oh, there's a pepperoni and a combination one.
Well, my mom said that they might still work, so hopefully they still are good. Alright guys, so it is ready.
Oh my gosh, she's hot. She is very hot. I feel like Kimberly's won't like it because Kimberly doesn't like complicated stuff.
Yeah.
Ooh, she looks kind of
nasty.
Weird. Yeah, look at her.
Okay guys, so this is how it looks. She kind of looks a little bit nasty.
Weird.
We've never really ate frozen food. We kind of eat Mexican food, but it's really hard to do the serving size of that.
Yeah.
Okay. So
it's 6, so
ready, set, go.
This is so nasty.
Oh, that was 6?
I thought that's good, yeah.
Okay guys, so that was 6 of the Tostito pizza rolls. They were not that great. Alright guys, so now we are off to next. The serving size for this is
1 pastry.
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 Why did y'all like pizza rolls? Because they were nasty?
Probably nasty. We just haven't cooked them right.
It wasn't Mi mom va a comer bistec con...
Oh, shoulder.
Mi mom va a comer bistec con arroz y frijoles.
The best food you will ever taste in your life. Guys, I'm about to show you. There goes Darren. Say hi, Darren, to everybody.
How did you take a shower?
Guys, I'm going to show you the best food that you could possibly eat. There goes bistec. So good. The arroz. So good. And the frijoles. Machos. Oh, ¿quieres que les enseñe la Oh, mi mom wants me to enseñarles like
Las tortillas.
las tortillas hechas de mano. Look at it. Yeah. Look at her food. Look at her food. Oh, bistec, arroz y frijoles. Wow, so good. She wanted me to show you that. She wanted me to show you tortillas hechas de mano también.
She can only make eggs, guys. Don't listen to her.
Look at me. Girl, look. Voy a cocinar.
Alright guys, so that is it for lunch. For lunch, we will see you in dinner.
Hello, can I get 2 chicken sandwich? Spicy. Oh, spicy. Sorry, my bad. Can I get 1 large waffle fries? 1 large waffle fries? Yes, ma'am. Anything else for you today? That'll be it.
Okay guys, so if you cannot tell, we did not like the food that we ate at home.
It was trash. We did came to get some
Chick-fil-A.
I think this is our dinner, and then we'll have snacks later on.
Snacks.
But
a lot of snacks because we went to go get a lot of
we
snacks.
went hunting, girl.
So what we bought today, today, waffle fries. And guess what the serving size is for waffle fries?
10 fries. I know, crazy. Oh my gosh, she gave me 3 Chick-fil-A sauce.
And I got 1
Keep her
ketchup.
in here.
And you can only eat for the containers for the Chick-fil-A sauce
It's
and the
one
ketchup.
sauce.
It's only 1 sauce. We got spicy chicken sandwiches. So for the chicken sandwich, we looked it up and the serving size is 1 chicken sandwich.
Look at her. Look at that deliciousness. So it's gonna be my first fry. This is like, girl, let me get the big ones.
Me too. And let me get the big ones because ese se cortó. This is our 10th piece. So guys, that's it for right now, and we will see you in our next meal. Alright guys, so we are back for our final meal. Our final meal. This is what we're gonna end the video with. And it's basically some snacks that we're gonna be eating for the night, right, Ash? So
We
let's
just
show
finished
you.
working out, so
Yes,
it's pretty late.
that's why
Hold
we
on,
look
let's show them the
horrible.
time. It's 10. Okay, well, she is 10:41 right now.
It doesn't want to show us the time. But
Yeah.
anyways, guys, we're going to show you what we're going to be eating right now. It's going to be just a quick snack. Actually, it's like 4 snacks that we're going to be eating tonight.
We're hungry.
We hungry.
So, basically, what we're going to be eating right now is we're going to be making some quesadillas. Right, Ash? Yeah. There goes Jeff. And the serving size for the tortillas de harina, the serving size for the tortilla de harina is one tortilla. One tortilla. So the serving size for the cheese is 1 ounce. So we get 1 ounce, Ash. And it's only 1 tortilla. And if you have never tasted the tortillas de harina from El Monterrey, Ashley, tell them how good they are.
They're perfect.
Perfect.
They're amazing.
Cuando están calientes, the best tortillas you will ever taste. Okay, Tara again is 0. And now it's at 70. And now it's at, oh, too much. Too much. You have to cut it. So we're going to be cutting it. It's going to be at 1. Ay, un poquito más. Woo!
Perfect.
Perfect. This is how much cheese we're going to be putting in the quesadilla. It's only 1 tortilla, so that is the serving size that we're going to be eating for today. Actually, that's too Josh.
She got burned.
She burned. Okay, we're about done.
We're gonna do salsa verde. So my girl from YouTube, she said that it's a tablespoon. So that's how much we're gonna eat.
Oh my god.
So this is for Kimberly's.
What?
And pásame la mía. My burnt one, but it's actually pretty good. This is from me.
What?
That's how much we're eating. So we bought this. No way.
What?
21 pieces.
Oh, that's not that bad.
These are 30.
I mean, we usually eat the whole bag, but I mean, 21 pieces is not that bad.
I guess.
Oh, you're gonna put them in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you know, for me, Ashley's favorite are the big juicy ones, and mine are the skinny ones.
That's weird. Wow, that's our dinner.
Okay.
And I'm not complaining.
I'm not complaining either.
Okay, so on to the first.
We hungry.
Okay, whatever.
Set, go. And that was a
That was the best meal of the whole day.
That was, wasn't it? So guys, we are done with our food and now we're eating snacks. So may I present
Actually,
to you?
desserts.
Come.
Well, hold on.
Ah!
We've been having this obsession for a month straight. And finally, we stopped eating it and now we're back with it. She says 2/3 of cup. So we're gonna actually do that in the measuring cup and we'll see how much that is.
2/3 of a cup is
Right there.
right there. Okay, so putting in the
Ben & Jerry's is the best ice cream.
The best.
The best.
The best.
We got obsessed, remember, for like a whole month.
Yes.
We didn't eat no breakfast. I mean, I didn't eat no breakfast. This was my breakfast. I was obsessed.
And we put in the 2/3 cups of
I don't even know how much is 2/3.
tú ponle hasta que diga 2/3. Un poquito más. Make sure you stick it in there really good. Aplástalo si puedes.
Oh, smush it in there. Okay, I think that's good, right? Oh, wait.
Todavía le queda un poquito más. Tú échale hasta que ya diga 2/3. Yeah, aplástale.
But
okay.
Like no, look. She's right there.
Oh, no, yeah, 2/3, okay.
2/3, so
Right.
this is 2/3.
Okay.
That's
no,
how much
that's
we're
it.
eating
That's all the
here.
ice cream we eat.
Can you believe it? They gave me this in camp.
Alright, so the next snack we're eating today too with the ice cream is the strawberry shortcake rolls. And that one is
She's
one
a little
roll.
bit of a throwback. Well,
One
that's
roll.
good enough for me.
One roll. Yay.
At least we had a strawberry.
Okay, so this is how they look. They're
Yeah.
really good, especially
Oh,
when they're
show
really
them
cold.
don't they say one roll though?
Oh, yeah. It's a
Okay.
serving size, one roll.
Okay, one roll
This
it
is how they
is.
look. They're really good when they're cold, so there we go. Alright guys, so change of plans. We had to change the camera because three of our batteries were dead. And now
All because of that one haunted video. We forgot to
Right.
record.
we forgot to charge it. So right now we're actually recording on our phone. Sorry if the
Quality
quality
sounds weird.
changes. Yes.
Yeah.
But we had to finish recording. what
Look
we're
at it, it's
eating.
all melted now.
I know. So
Okay.
let's eat it.
Ready? Unopened her. Let me have to taste my sisters. You're saying that too much now.
It's just never stuck in my head. Alright guys, so we're gonna end it right here. That was our eating the recommended serving size for 24-hour challenge.
I think it was pretty good, except that the only downfall was I think it was like from lunch to dinner because that was the longest for me. Like I kind of felt
Like you were
weird.
hungry.
Yeah.
The Tostitos were
Oh.
horrible.
I wouldn't have ate that.
I would
And then
never
the
have
ice
ate
cream,
that
I would have
ever.
ate the whole pit. Maybe Kimberly's too. But I only ate 3/4 of it.
But we're gonna end the video right here, guys. This camera is really heavy and it's really
Yeah.
heavy in my hand. But
So is it.
sorry for the bad footage from the past one for the last meal because our camera kind of like died down. So we decided to actually poner a cargar the batería, and we got to record this outro with our camera. So we're gonna end it right here. If you like this challenge, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and push the notification bell so you will get notified when we post a video.
Also, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook at One Ellie Sisters under all of the accounts.
Yes, and if you want to see eating Mexican food for 24-hour challenge, make sure to leave it down in the comment section, and we will see you in our next video, guys. Bye.